Hello everyone, it's Dale here with new day trading analysis. Today I'd like to talk about the ES, which is futures for the Standard & Poor's Index 500. So what you see before you, this is the ES 30-minute chart. This is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and view up indicators. And as you can see, after the elections, as I predicted in one of my previous videos, the ES is moving steeply upwards in a strong uptrend, which is also backed by the fundamentals. And because of that strong uptrend, I want to trade longs only on the ES. So I'm focusing on finding significant heavy volume zones to trade from. Currently, there are three: this one, and this one. And all of them represent strong levels to trade from if there are pullbacks to them. So let's start with the first one. Let me draw a line here. The first one, the first level, is around 59.37, and this support zone is based on those heavy volumes. Those volumes were formed in here as the price was pushing upwards, and it appears that strong buyers were adding massively to the long positions here. Additionally to this heavy volume zone, you can also see that the first deviation of the weekly view up is heading close to that heavy volume zone, which creates a nice combo and makes the level even stronger. So this is a strong support, and if the price makes a pullback, it will definitely be a nice spot to enter a long trade from there, as the buyers from here should defend this place and push the price upwards from there again, right? Now, let's talk about this heavy volume zone. The level which I have here, the support, is at 58.87.5, and it is based on two things. One is that heavy volume zone, this volume cluster created within the uptrend. And the second thing is that the price was reacting to this level in the past. That means that in the past that was a resistance, which as the price went past it, turned into a support, right? So we have price action setup as well as this volume profile setup, both telling me that this is a strong support. So if there is a pullback, there should be a reaction. Now the third level, the third long level, is very similar. It is in here at 58.04. As you can see, heavy volumes were formed in here, so that looks like strong buyers were adding to the long positions here. So that's one thing, one setup. And the other setup is that the price was reacting here in the past, so that means that it was a resistance. By the way, I was trading a short from here, went short from here because there was this actually the same setup as I'm just showing you, only short trade scenario. There was a downtrend and volume cluster within downtrend, so I went short from here. So in the past this was a resistance, and when the price blew past that resistance in here, then the resistance turned into new support. All right, so that's the price action setup combined with the volume profile setup here, both pointing me to this level. So ideal scenario would be, and this is ideal scenario, right? Pull back to the first support, reaction, pull back to the second support, reaction, pull back to the third support, reaction. All right. Now keep in mind that when you are trading this setup, this volume profile setup, you want to use the flexible volume profile, this one, which you can move around. And you want to look into specific area, and in this case you want to look into that uptrend zone, right? This is the zone where you want to look for those heavy volumes. So that's for that. If you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, then head over to my website. It is trader-dale.com, and if you click this button which says trading course and tools, then you can browse my trading education and custom-made trading indicators. In here, this is the volume profile pack focusing on volume profile trading. Below that, there is the order flow pack focusing on day trading with order flow. If you scroll down a bit, you can get both those packs for a massively discounted price in here, right? The volume profile and the order flow pack together. So that's for that. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss any of my new videos. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Until then, happy trading.